Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. So today is a Dollar Tree Empties video. I feel like it's been a little while since I've done one of these, but I have a lot of products to get through today. So anyways, if that sounds good to you, you're definitely in the right place. If you are a returning Dollar Diva, thank you so much for coming on back for another video. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Jessica and I love to do a lot of dollar store and Dollar Tree oriented makeup and shopping content. So if that is your thing, you are definitely in the right place. So yeah, without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So I've got quite a few food items. The first I will start out with, because we go through probably about 2 of these a week, and I don't have the jugs because they would legit take up so much space. So I just keep the labels. We have gone through at least 4 of Sunny D that I buy at the Dollar Tree. My husband likes to drink this. This is the orange strawberry. That's like been his go-to. We also buy Tangy Original as well. And like I said, we go through about 2 of these or so a week. So there's more where this came from, but he did go through at least 4. And we like to buy for $1.25. This is a really great deal, you guys. And it doesn't say it on this label. We buy the 56 ounce. They also have a smaller container, but you can often find the 56 fluid ounce container. I think it's like 40% more or some crazy thing. It's a really, really good deal. So we do buy these at the Dollar Tree. So like I said, we've gone through at least 4 of them. Then we went back through this Nature's Garden Tropical Fruit Trail Mix. I did a grocery haul not too long ago and we bought this one and another variety. We still have, I think, a couple packs of that, but we went through the tropical one. It's a blend of banana chips, raisins, dried papaya, dried pineapple, and dried coconut. And there's 4 like small mini bags in here for $1.25, and each bag has 110 calories. So just like a little something you can throw in your purse if you need a little pick-me-up. Like I said, we have another variety. I think it's like a mountain or like it's got like some chocolate in it and stuff like that. Haven't gone in like raisins and things like that. But yeah, we haven't gone through that one yet, but we did go through this one here. And you know, we probably wouldn't necessarily buy it again. My husband likes to buy like the big bag of trail mix. So we probably will not buy these again necessarily. Probably not the best deal, and you can always make your own little baggies. So probably won't repurchase, but definitely not a bad item if you want something like this. And then I finally finished that bag up of the Golden Mini Oreos. I love a golden Oreo. I mean, I love all Oreos, but I love the golden ones. And these were just so little and just so perfect. And yeah, I think $1.25 was a good deal for this bag. It's a 3-ounce bag. Really can't beat it for $1.25. So I would definitely buy these again at the Dollar Tree in a pinch if I wanted to snack. And I went through this Wise brand. Oh, there's a Tangy Original stuck to it. So went through at least 5, and there's a Tangy Original Sunny D label. So like one day I was like super hungry, and I think I bought the Oreos in these like in the same day. This is the Wise brand Cheese Doodles Baked Puffs. And kind of the more I ate them, the more I kind of do miss the Cheetos brand. But definitely not bad in a pinch. Wise makes like lots of different chips and different things like that, and they're really, really good. So yeah, I finished up a bag of those. And then these are really, really good. And again, this is another really good deal because like in a gas station or something like that, these would be a lot more. I don't know the brand because I cut it off, but they're these corn nuts, original corn nuts. And if you've never had these before, they taste kind of like Fritos, but they're kind of a little bit crunchier. It's like a little corn kernel. This is the original. I think they have other flavors. I've never tried the other flavors, but these are really tasty. If you've never tried them and you like, you know, like corn chips and stuff, definitely give these a try. They're a really interesting snack. So I bought a little bag of these again, a really good deal for $1.25. These Ritz Bits cheese sandwiches. You know, I like peanut butter, but I love these ones that have the cheese in them. I know, I don't know if like, these are like, I like them better than the peanut butter for some reason. But yeah, I think they're a great deal. Would totally pick them up again in a pinch if I needed a snack while at the Dollar Tree, for sure. So a few more grocery items to get through, and then we've got some other types of items. And again, like I said, I don't keep the big boxes because it would just take up too much space. But I went through a couple of these 6-packs of the Evian sparkling water. This one here was the raspberry and ginseng. It came with the pink. This is my least favorite. Would not repurchase. But I love the other 3 flavors. I also finished the lime and ginger. They come in the yellow cans. This is really good. I like the basil and mint, or I think it's basil and mint. Yeah, I think it's basil and mint. Love that. Comes in the green. And then there's one that's in like a peach can, and I really like that one as well. Just didn't like the pink. So I would buy any 3 of the other ones, just not the pink one again. So yeah, these were really good. A steal at $1.25 if you find them at your Dollar Tree, because they're like legit $5.99 in my grocery store. Super good deal. And then we tried, and I'm so glad we did, these Cake King cinnamon crumb cake bites. And so I just saved a little portion of the box. There was another brand as well that we tried, and I don't know if I have that with me or if I lost track of it somewhere. These little mini cakes, they got like brownies. They got savory ones like cornbread and jalapeno cornbread. They've just got all different types of little mini cakes that are like 2 or 3 bite type of things. Delicious. And I think some of them, one of the brands you get like 5 in a pack, and then another one you get like 8. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. This brand, and like I said, there's like another brand. So good. Would totally repurchase again. And I want to try some of the other flavors as well. Then these here really actually pleasantly surprised me. They're the Stouffer's Whale Cheddar Cheese Crackers. And so you've seen these before. They're really good. They kind of remind me of like a cheese nip, you know? And yeah, absolutely delicious. Would totally repurchase again. So I think I'm done with the food. So I'm gonna go through like my beauty and personal care and household items. So I used up a bag of these crock pot slow cooker liners. For $1.25, you get 6 in a bag, which is a steal, because I want to say Reynolds, to get 8 of those, you pay like 3 or 4 something at Walmart. This is a steal. I don't always see them, but I do have a few more bags of them, so I do try to stock up when I see them. Amazing deal. Just you absolutely can't beat it. So I will always repurchase these from the Dollar Tree if and when I see them. Then I used up a thing of baby wipes. You know, I really like this brand here, this Huggies Simply Clean Fragrance Free. You get 24, and they're just really nice wipes. I like the container, the plastic thing. Last time I went to the Dollar Tree, they did not have these, so I bought a different brand, and I'm really liking them. Much bigger pack, so I may not really buy these as much anymore. I think they were like Johnson & Johnson or something. I don't know. It's a couple hauls ago. But I would still purchase these, but I really like these other ones, and you get so many in the pack. So I may not purchase these as much in the future. Then my favorite makeup wipes, period, are these Pick Up and Go brand. I've got both scents here, and I've got a couple of backups I've got, because I do try to stock up when I find these. Pick Up and Go Fruity Facial Cleansing Wipes. I've got orange and I've got mango, and these are just wonderful wipes. You get 25 in each one. They're made in Korea. They're awesome. Like I said, I've got more packs of them because I stocked up last time I saw them. I will always repurchase these from the Dollar Tree. They're so good, you guys. And $1.25, can't beat it. You can't even buy a generic at CVS for that brand, for that price. So love these. Then I used up a box of Scotty's tissues. I loved this little container. Of course, it's all mashed down, but I loved the container. You got 202 ply tissues. You know, and for the longest time, I really liked the Dollar Tree tissues, but the more I use them, the more I realize just how not great they are. So I have kind of switched to buying like a 3-pack of the Puffs at Walmart, or like the Great Value brand. You know, in a pinch, they are good to get at the Dollar Tree because you can't beat $1.25 for 200, but they're not going to be the best, you know what I mean? And so that's just kind of something that I've changed my stance on a little bit more recently. But like I said, in a pinch, I will still repurchase. Then I bought a 3-pack of these Kleenex. Again, you know, you use a Kleenex and you kind of see how not good those are. But on the go, like in my car, in my purse, I like to have these. And I like to buy the 3-pack of the Kleenex versus like the 8-pack of the non-brand name from the Dollar Tree. I think I still have a pack left of these, but I did use up one the other day. This is the one that was in my car. Each one you get 10 3-ply tissues. Each one of these, you guys, is super strong. So it's really actually a pretty good value for $1.25 to get 3 of these little, you know, packets that you can easily bring with you. So I will always repurchase these for sure. And then I recently repurchased the vanilla scent, I believe, but I used up all of my fresh linen, the Luminescence Votive Candle 4-packs. And yeah, I really like these. Fresh linen is my favorite, but like I said, I'll buy vanilla, I'll buy apple cinnamon. I find, you know, if you been on my channel for any length of time, you know that I like these. Each one lasts me about 2 or 3 evenings. They tend to be taller than votives I get at like Walmart. and things like that. So like I said, I've seen smaller packages of these. I don't know if they're going to take them from 4 down to 3 or not, but I really like these. I always repurchase them, so a staple for me. And my last few items are beauty products. So I used up this SGX NYC Dry Touch Volumizing Dry Shampoo. This is a legit brand, you guys. I've got a couple other hair products from them, and it's amazing. And you can find this brand everywhere, and it's a little bit pricey. And this was like a travel size of this dry shampoo, and I really liked it. Smelled great, worked great. For $1.25, that's actually a really nice price for something travel sized. And so yeah, I really liked it. I don't know if I've seen these kind of since I purchased this one, but you will see this brand pop up from time to time at Dollar Tree. So really liked it. Would definitely buy it again for like travel and stuff like that, or even just to throw in my work bag. So really, really like that. And I've liked everything from that brand. And then I used up a color switch. You guys know that this is a staple for me. And after a while, see, they kind of get a little bit, you know, a little bit, you can, I mean, clean them, but this one here is kind of got like, it's kind of dug out a little bit, you know, it can only take so much. I find each one lasts me a few months. So, so yeah, I love these. I always have backups of these. I keep one at work where I get ready at work, keep one here on my vanity. Love, love, love these. Cannot beat them for $1.25. Love them. And it is the Sassy Chic brand, so just an amazing, amazing product. Then I've used 2 sets of lashes. These ones here were the, I think the La Flare brand, and they're the A019 style, and they're like a 3D lash, and I've gotten, these have gotten a lot of love. These are really nice lashes, very comparable to like an Ardell Wispy. And I don't always see them. It was just like this, it was just like this one time I went to the Dollar Tree and I got this brand. They had a couple different brands of lashes, but if you see the brand La Flare, they're very much like an Ardell, even the packaging. Then these are Ionis, and I don't know the style of these, but as you can see, very, very, very well loved, an absolute mess. You know I love the Ionis. I have to trim them, but I've got so many pairs of backups that it's insane. So yeah, the Dollar Tree really brings it in the lash department last couple years. Then this is something I found at the Dollar Tree a couple years ago, and I loved everything from this line. This is the Wet n Wild Coverall Pressed Powder. This was in Fair Light, which is usually how I favor my powders. And yeah, just a really, really, really nice powder. I think I had the foundation, loved it, and haven't really seen it since, but I would pay full price for this, but it was really nice to find it at the Dollar Tree. And then I don't even remember the brand of this. I think it's Wet n Wild. It was an eyeliner, and I didn't really like it as an eyeliner, so I used it as an eyebrow pencil and as like a lip liner. And it's just this brown eyeliner. So yeah, sometimes if I don't really care for an eyeliner on my eyes, I'll use it for my lips or eyebrows, depending on the shade. So yeah, really, really nice. Used it up, kind of sharpened it, and then the little piece fell out. So I've gotten a lot of use out of that. So I will have my Empties playlists up here. That way you can binge watch more videos like this. But before you do, make sure you give this video a like and share it with anyone you think may enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you've used any of these products or tried any of these products, tell me what you think. I'd love to hear from you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.